Welcome to the Dispatch Console training. The Dispatch Console simplifies communication and ensures control in chaotic, high-demand environments. It is designed to efficiently manage the communication of workers and incidents. Let's get familiar with the dashboard. When you log in, you'll be taken to the PTT dashboard. In the center, you can find different panels which can be customized. By default, you'll see your most frequently used panels, which will be your group chats. We also have our TWD panel, which will show all of the team members as well as the group chats. If you collapse any panel, you will automatically mute any users that are part of that. If you expand the panel, users will then be unmuted. If you want to add a new panel, simply hover over Add Panel, click on the plus icon, and then you will have the option to select the users or groups. Check the box and confirm, and a new panel has been created. This currently does not show any contacts because they're not online, but if you click on the three dots to the right of this panel, you have the option to click on Display All Contacts, and it will then show all users within the panel. From here, you can also select any user to send out a PTT. As you can see on the left, under the Recent Contacts, you can find all of your recently delivered PTTs. To quickly send a new PTT to the users of one of these previous PTT messages, simply select that older PTT and transmit your new message. Next to our PTT panel in the center, you'll find our Chats button. This section allows you to share files, text communication, photos, and alerts with any of your contacts. Next is our Map tab. Over here you will find the location, geofences, and point of interest created for the organization. As we covered on our mobile training, you will find that you can also find the point of interest by clicking on the icon on the right. For example, we can have another one for TWD here. First thing to do is name it. Add a description if necessary. Then select the type. Select the severity of the POI and the exposure in order to control who can see it. The location will automatically be displayed, and you can also add a geofence from here, but we'll skip that right now because we're going to show you how to create one. Once you have all of the information, just click Create, and your new POI will appear on the map. From here, you can click on the Google Map icon, and it will share with you the route to get to that spot. You also have the option to modify it or delete it when done. You can also create geofences with different severities, such as low geofence, medium geofence, high geofence, and lastly, critical geofence, which I'll show you how to create now. The icon for the geofences is the third one on the right, which says Create Geofence. Once you click on it, all you have to do is just find the location where you would like to put the geofence. Let's say we want to put it over here. Once you click, it will allow you to select the area. You will then double-click in order to create it. Once you double-click, it will pop up the geofence information for you to fill out. Let's make this critical. You can add a description, and under Severity, select the one needed for your purpose. Under Advanced Settings, you can also select who the geofences apply to. So this will encompass all of the users who will be able to see it. You can also create alerts for when users enter or exit a geofence, if you want an alarm to be triggered, and also if you would like to have an alert for proximity to the geofence. You can also select who the alerts are sent to. And lastly, you can create a dynamic group for the geofence. Once you select that box and click Create, it will actually create a group as seen to the left for all users included in that geofence. This is great because it will allow you to communicate to this entire group at once, sending splash alerts, PTTs, messages, and whatever you need with just one simple click over here. If you click the group, it will automatically take you back to that chat in order to revisit your conversation or send new information or attachments. Another thing to note is that the geofences can have different colors. This makes it a whole lot easier to manage. Same as with the point of interest. You can copy the coordinates, or you can use the Google button to be able to locate and get to that location more quickly. Next, we have our Status tab, which allows you to see the status of all the team members. By default, it will only show the status of the members who are currently online. However, if you use the status filter, you can select who you'd like to see on your list as well. At the right corner, we'll find our settings, which allow you to manage the general settings, activate the radio mode, audio, speakers, the location and the language, and report issues if necessary. Next to that icon, we'll find the address book. With this, you can find all of the users and the groups created in the organization. Finally, we have the Profile button, which allows you to manage your status, online presence, and sign out.